Hello, Upka takers! This is Sachika. So today, sasagutan natin yung question na to. Which is the largest? So meron tayong choices from A, B, down to E. So at first glance, these numbers look confusing kasi ang daming square roots, di ba? Pero instead of calculating everything exactly, we can use simple observations. So let's start with choice E. We have a number multiplied to the square root of 0. Now, the square root of 0 is just 0. So, ibig sabihin, this whole expression is also just 0. So, alam na natin that letter E is not the answer kasi pinapahanap yung largest. Now, let's go to choice D. 199 times the square root of 9. 199 is just approximately 200. The square root of 9 is exactly 3. So, that's 200 times 3, which is 600. So, letter D is approximately 600. Let's see kung meron pang mas malaki dito. Let's go to choice C. We have 19 times the square root of 99. 19 is around 20, and the square root of 99 is close enough to the square root of 100, which is 10. Therefore, letter C is just 20 times 10, which is around 200. So that's smaller than 600, so this is not the answer. So now we have letter B and A. Itong dalawang to, very similar in structure, is just 1 times the square root of something. And as you can see, 999 is smaller than 1999. Therefore, B is automatically smaller than A. So, check na lang natin yung letter A. So, for letter A, we have the square root of 1999, which is close enough to the square root of 2000. So, what are the notable perfect squares close enough to 2000? Di ba we have 40 squared, which is around 1600. We also have 50 squared, which is around 2500. So we know that letter A is between 40 and 50, which is smaller than 600. Therefore, our answer is letter D. So when taking the UPCAT, try to estimate para di kayo maubusan ng oras. Okay? I hope this helped you in studying for the UPCAT. Bye-bye!